Myrtle, bro. We're leaving. Goodbye, Myrtle Beach.
You think so?
Dude, we're like the first people on the plane. It's crazy. Nobody's even on yet. It's like a private charter. It's crazy. So back here in cold Chicago. It's your breath. It's cold. Check it out when you get picked up by a Durango SRT. Hey, what's going on? It's your boy, Beowulf. I am Beowulf. Back here in Illinois, not in Myrtle Beach no more. This is crazy. So I go from waking up yesterday in the beach, waking up facing the ocean. Check this out. I wake up and there's snow everywhere. Oh, it snowed here in Illinois. Yay, go from the beach, warm weather, to snow, cold. But I'm back at it, got the Jeep SRT. Check it out, got the Hellcat. So now we're back at some videos with doing some car action for once. Sorry about the couple of videos, we just haven't had a lot of vehicle action. Just didn't have any of my SRTs down there, so they're all back here. So, let's get it going. It's gonna be action packed. It's snow, and there's an all-wheel drive Jeep SRT. Let's go have some fun. But I'm on my way to work. But I'm gonna have some fun on the way there. Gonna have some fun after work. Come back here, let the dogs out, have my lunch. Let's get this day rolling. I'll kind of talk later in the video about what's going on when I was in Myrtle Beach, what's the future plans, to see what I'm up to, and what's the future of this channel. So let's get it going. Time to go. Time to go, man. Back. I had my camera, GoPro was up in my jacket up in the cargo in the upper part of the storage in the plane. But we are hitting from right up when we took off, we were hitting turbulence the whole way there. And I felt turbulence like it before, back when I was younger, but nothing recent. And like I said too, is like I haven't flown for like 9 years. And the turbulence was so bad that like they couldn't even serve drinks on the flight. And then midway through it, I had to go to the bathroom. And the plane was just like flying. I was like flying around in the bathroom, like, Aah! And I was walking back to I wish I had my GoPro on me, because I mean I was holding on to each seat trying to make my way back to my seat to put my seatbelt on. I come out of the bathroom and like all this the flight attendants were already strapped in, and here I'm the only one walking around on the plane. I was like flying all around. I was just like, I was yelling out pretty loud. I was like, yeah! And everybody's looking at me like, what is he doing? I'm like, I'm just riding that horse, or riding that plane. Riding that turbulence. The crazy thing too is like the first flight we took off, I think I talked about it, is like they had like touch screens, look like kind of like iPads. You could plug your USB and you could have a plug where you could charge like your laptop and stuff. So I thought like all planes are like that now. And then we fly from North Carolina to Myrtle Beach. We were in a smaller plane which they didn't have it. And then we flew back. The plane, this other plane didn't have those screens. So like my brother told me, Gucci Gavin said it's only on select. But hit or miss to find a plane that has all this stuff. And I figured by 2018, how much they cost to fly, they would have good equipment on the planes already. But you know, whatever. SRT or even the Hellcat, because the rental car wasn't that fun. But check this out, got the Brotherhood of Muscle. Brotherhood of Muscle. That's what I'm talking about. This thing got a hammy. It got a hammy. Yeah! I'm just having fun, guys. Man, missed beating this. Missed beating this. Missed it. Beating this. Yeah. Jeep SRT. That's crazy. That's his online orders from today. Gotta get them shipped out. Go and get lunch. Go let the dogs out. Who let the dogs out? Woo, 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 woo. it's like back to reality being here in the cold. Snow! But it's always good being around my little SRT little group of cars. I got the Hellcat, Jeep SRT, and it's just nice getting back in the seat of this vehicle. I'm telling you that. Hope everybody's having a good day. You know, if you guys haven't hit that comment, or if you guys haven't hit that subscribe button, make sure you guys hit it. Find the notification when videos up. Big things going on with BWoody. Alright. So, the dog's out. Ate my lunch. And I am back to work. We'll shoot some little stuff there. Talk about what's going on with the store. Yeah. Big news with the Myrtle Beach thing. Trying to figure this all out to be moving out there pretty soon. I'm gonna call my realtor selling my house and the realtor that I'm talking about buying a house, figure out what my options are, and get this ball rolling, because I can't wait any longer. I'm done waiting. Let's get something going. Let's buy a house. Let's buy a house. Time to buy another house. Let's do it. Alright guys, so what's going on? I'm here at work just getting ready to go. But if you guys are new to the channel, I own a store. Business name is called BWoody Farm. We make all natural cosmetic beauty products. You know guys, this is stuff for you, stuff for the ladies. We actually have right now, and it's always going to stay like this, as I do free shipping over $25. So that's a really good deal. If you guys are looking for gifts or personal stuff. We got a bunch of different goat milk lotions, whatnot. You can take a look at BWoody.com. You can see all the products we sell. But we have a lot of stuff here at the store because I know as soon as I sell my house, I'm moving to Myrtle Beach. We already scoped out store locations that we'll be moving to. So the store will be moving there. So I don't know how many more months we'll be at this location, but you can order online, like I said. Look at this. This is like, whew, boom, boom, bath bombs, big bada boom.
Bada boom.
Big. Yeah, big bada boom.
So we got like essential soaps and whatnot. But make sure you guys take a look at it. We also sell like essential oils. Right there. All the stuff is on the website. But take a look, because I appreciate the love. Try out something. You'll like it. I'll show you guys a little write-up about the soap. Goat milk soap. Take a look. And you know it, guys. Girls like you have like smooth skin, looking good, smelling good. We got ones. Oh, this is so cool. This is for the guys, man. Check this out. Oh yeah. We got one called Beast Mode. That's it. Focus. 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 There we go. Beast Mode. Yeah, right when I was filming, somebody came in to buy one of the Beast Mode goat milk soaps. I'm telling you guys, if you picked it up, man, you become the beast. BWoody Farm Beast Mode goat milk soap. Take a look, check it out. You're missing out if you're not getting it. You smell good, man. The beast out.